Second,
Yes, sir. This is my first interview.
which date you have your Karnataka Bank interview?
On 14 September, sir.
Oh, you have time. Very good. Nice. Please, you are in which city?
In Gangavati, sir, Koppla district.
Which district name?
Koppla district, sir.
Oh, first time I'm hearing. Nobody has come from your district so far. You are the first girl. I mean, in the last 2-3 years, Koppala.
No, sir. One girl is there from
Acha,
Gangavati.
Gangavati. Acha, acha, acha. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Koppala.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I forgot it. Good. Please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Rekha. I belong to Gangavati, which is called a rice bowl of Karnataka in Koppla district in Karnataka only. I have completed my schooling my hometown itself. I completed my Bachelor of Commerce in Akka Mahadevi University from Vijaypura in 2020 with the percentage of 87.76%. Then my family consisting of 6 members, my father, mother, me, and I am only the daughter of my family and my brothers. So my strengths are I am quick learner, I am hardworking person, I am self-motivated. Then I am easily connecting with people, which is more need to the bank. Then I am currently preparing for banking exams. If I go a chance to do work in Karnataka Bank, definitely I use my skills to grow with the banks. It is all about me. If you want to know more, I am glad to answer. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. But unless it is very much required, you don't have to say, this is all about me. If you want to know, I will. That sentence, I don't know who has taught you, but that is not required. Anybody has taught you like this?
No, so one guy said that in interview only. You appreciate him. That's why I copied that.
Actually, maybe I would not have corrected him. Otherwise, he would have talked nicely. But you also
Yes.
talked very well. You also talked extremely well. Which year did you complete your commerce BCom?
In 2020, sir.
Oh, right. What are the other exams you have written so far?
So SBI and IBPS in 2020, I wrote all exams. Sir.
So were you able to clear prelims in any of these?
Yes, sir. I cleared the prelims, sir, but I lost in mains.
Mains. Mains by how many marks?
A lot of marks.
But don't tell like this in the exam, in the interview, real interview. By
Yes, sir.
you tell by 2-3 marks, 2 marks, something like that. You tell a lie, it doesn't matter. Nobody is
Yes,
going
sir.
to. Here, of course, it is not a lie. It is a question of, or otherwise, when you talk, when you tell, you don't tell that you missed by huge marks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. What is your father?
My father is working in rice mills as a labor.
Railway as labor.
Rice mill, sir. Rice
Sorry,
mill.
sir. Rice mill. Correct. In fact, that Gangavati also told some
Sir, famous.
rice mill and other things she was telling. Yeah, yeah. Good. Very good. He's working in rice mill. What about your mother?
Sir. My mother is homemaker, sir.
What about your brother?
My brother. I have 3 siblings, sir. Three only brothers only, sir. 2 elder brother and one younger brother, sir. 2 elder brothers are self-employed, sir. We have own bakery, sir.
Oh,
That
great.
they are both work.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Bakery. So what do they make in the bakery?
All the items my brother only makes, sir.
No, actually, you should tell like biscuits, bread, something like that.
Egg
What are
puffs, egg puff, dilkush cakes, cut cakes, cool cakes. Then all items, without chips, sir.
all that? Very good, excellent. So
Cool
that
drinks and chips, ice creams.
banana chips has got more market, no?
Yes.
No, is do they make banana chips similar to what you get in
No,
Kerala?
no, sir.
Which chips you make? Which type of chips?
Sorry, sir.
No, which chips are they making?
Baking. No, chips are not prepared for from
Not
the
prepared. Only
bakery.
sales. Very good.
Sales biscuit,
Excellent. Biscuit only.
cakes,
Oh,
egg
good.
puffs,
Very good. Very
veg
good.
puff.
Do you at times go to the bakery to help them?
No, sir. Currently, I am in Nandyal only, sir.
Oh, great. Are you you are in the hostel or away from the hostel?
So in PG, sir.
Paying guest, yeah. I think
Uh,
three of you are there from Nandyal. One girl is staying in hostel, and two, three boys are all staying in separate separate houses. One boy or one girl is very much in the institute campus itself.
I see.
Very good. Now you studied BCom. Let us come to
Yes, sir.
our interview.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the achievement of our economy?
So now our India is surpasses the Britain, sir, in growth GDP growth rate, fifth position, sir.
Very good. Correct. That is the point I wanted. You told that nicely. What is the tagline of Karnataka Bank?
We are family bank across India, sir.
Very good. So, have you worked anywhere else? No. Have you worked anywhere else?
No, sir.
No, you are not worked anywhere. Yeah. Now, which authority is looking after the stock exchanges in India?
Yes, stock exchanges administered by SEBI, sir.
What is the
Security.
Securities Exchange Board of India? Who is the chairman of that? Excuse me. Hello. Internet. I think internet.
Mrs. Madhapuri Bachchu, sir.
Madhabi Puri Butch.
Yes, sir.
Madhabi Puri Butch. Very good. Excellent. You told nicely. Yeah. Where is the headquarters of SEBI?
Sir, in Mumbai, I think.
Mumbai only. Correct. Mumbai only. There is one organization having headquarters in Hyderabad. What is the name of that regulatory authority? Hello? Hello? There is one regulatory authority having headquarters in Hyderabad. Hyderabad. You know that?
Sir.
Yeah, you don't know?
Union Bank of India.
No. I am asking about a regulatory authority. Regulatory, can you name the 4 or 5 regulatory authorities in India? One is, who is regulating banks?
RBI, sir.
Who is regulating?
Headquarter.
Who is
No,
regulating
sir.
stock exchanges?
SEBI, sir.
Okay. Who is regulating, say, insurance companies?
IRDAI, sir.
Where is its headquarters?
In Mumbai, sir.
That is only in Hyderabad.
Sorry, sir.
No problem. That is only in Hyderabad. And
Okay.
you told Union Bank. Union Bank headquarters is in Mumbai.
Okay, sir.
And Union Bank is not a regulatory authority. It is one of the public sector banks. Could you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is a public sector bank?
So, what is public sector banks?
Hmm.
Public sector banks means which banks are corporate invested by bank more than 51% of investment, sir.
No. More than 51% share capital is held by government.
Okay, sir.
Can you please repeat? What is public sector bank?
Public sector banks means more than 51% of share capital owned by the government.
Super. Good. Very good. But your pronunciation is like Telugu. Why are you a Telugu girl?
No, sir, I'm Kannada.
Oh, but somewhat resembling that. Doesn't matter. No problem. Can you please tell me what is bank?
So bank means it is a financial institution which accept the deposit, which is liability to the bank, who and which lends the loan, it is assets to the bank, sir.
Super. Good. This is a nice way of telling it. Very good. Excellent. Then how did you prepare for banking examination? You can tell about your Nandyal, no problem. You can tell.
Sir, Nandal is actually good institution, sir, who are achieved in bank.
No, but don't tell simply Nandyal. You say Sri Guru Raghavendra Institute of Banking, na? Something like that. What is it? Tell.
Sri Guru Raghavendra, sir.
Tell the
Institution.
full name and yeah. When did you join this institute?
In 2020 only, sir. I have
Oh,
completed my degree in 2020, sir. After 7 days only, I go, sir.
you went and joined this thing, and you are still in Nandyal for the last 2 years, correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh God.
Yes, sir.
So that means when do you meet your family, people, parents?
Yesterday only I came here, sir, because documents,
Oh, documents? What documents?
which are needed to interview, sir, real interview.
Oh, that is all in. Why it is in Nandyal? Are you? Yeah, do you give documents to your institute? There is no need, na?
No
But
need,
you
sir.
were
Only
keeping,
Aadhaar card, photos.
but you are keeping it with you. Acha. Very good. That's right.
Yes.
I understand. So now you will go afterwards only to your place. When will you go to your place?
Yesterday, 6 months once, sir. 7 months once I come.
Acha. You no, you come to Nandyal once in 6 months. Is it so? Or
No, sir.
uh,
Always I stay in Nandel only, sir. 6 months once, 7 months I come to my village, sir.
very good. Excellent. So how many hours per day do you normally study?
So uh, morning 6 o'clock English class is there, sir.
Mm,
Till 9:30, sir.
mm,
Then 10 o'clock offline exams, sir.
mm,
Till 1 o'clock. Then we need to prepare lab exams, sir.
mhm,
Always labs are there, sir. Then
mhm.
evening classes, mains preparation,
Very,
paper explanation.
very good. Do they teach you banking also in that mains class?
Yes, sir.
Oh, they teach you max, I mean banking as well as computer science and all that, correct?
Computer science is not there, sir. Labs are there, sir, for online exams, sir.
Oh, very good. Excellent. Now let me come to this. You told about banks correctly. How did you prepare banking? You told me. Now tell me what is demat account?
Sir, demat account is dematerialization account. It is opened for the person who are engaged in the purchase and sale of the shares, sir.
Yeah, um, that is right. It is maintained in dematerialized. What is meant by dematerialized?
It is an account, sir.
I mean, demat account is an account, but you said it is maintained dematerialized. What is dematerialized? Dematerialized means it is in electronic form,
Yes, sir, in the electronic form, yes, sir.
not in say paper and all that. Good. So that is right. Now, next question for you. Um, this I don't know whether you can answer this. Can you name 3 board of directors of Karnataka Bank? They have asked today only this question. Can you name?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
MD and CEO, sir.
No. MD and CEO name. Tell me.
Sir, Mr. Mahabaleshwar MS, sir.
Very good. Then
And
who is the chairman?
Mr. Pradeep Kumar Banja, sir.
Very good. Then apart from that, they have asked 3 directors. Probably you can tell one chairman, one MD and CEO. Apart from that,
Yes, sir.
any other directors can you remember?
So, no,
There
sir.
there are directors, Baba. Hmm? 1 minute. I have told in one video also today, directors. I have told in one video, doesn't matter. Let me tell you. Directors, I will show you. You can see that so that you will remember it. If they ask this
Yes.
question, you must be able to tell. This is the board of directors membership committee. Don't know. I'm not getting the directors. Some 10 directors are there, Baba. In board of directors, I will not ask, but because they have asked today, I am asking you. Board of directors, independent directors, board of directors, names are coming. Are you able to see the names?
Yes, sir.
Please read the names, all the names you read.
Chairman Mr. Pradeep Kumar, sir.
Good.
And MD and CEO Mahabaleshwara MS.
Mm.
And independent director Mr. Keshav Krishna Rao Desai.
Mm.
And independent director Mrs. Mithili Ramesh.
Maithili or Mithili? How do you?
Oh, sorry, Mithili Ramesh.
This
Then
one.
non-executive director Mr. B.R. Ashok.
Mm.
And independent director Justice A.V. Chandrasekhar.
Yeah, don't tell non-executive director and all. We may not. I don't know what is the definition of non-executive director. This many people will do. Justice A.V. Chandrasekhar, Maithili Ramesh, Kesav Krishna Rao Desai. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please read again. Read these names only. Kesav.
Mr. Keshav Krishna Rao Desai and Mrs. Maithili Ramesh and Mr. B.R. Ashok and Justice A.V. Chandrasekhar.
That will do. That will do. Good. So you remember this. If they ask, you must be able to tell. Now
Yes, sir.
tell me what is NPA. Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Only the board of directors.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what is. Tell me about NPA. What is NPA? Why
Sir,
NPA?
is,
How to reduce NPA?
Yes, sir. So NPA means it's a non-performing assets, which assets are not recovered in more than 90 days, sir. Principal and interest also. And NPA reasons of willful default, sir. Then reasonable cause, sir. And,
Good. Reasonable, maybe due to real reasons there is a loss, so
Real
it's not repaying. Then willful default. Then
solution for NPA is SURFACE Act and DRT Act and Lok Adalat.
Very good, good, excellent. Have you given other exams conducted by IBPS? You said yes. Then
Yes,
if you get selected somewhere else, will you leave our bank?
Sir, no, sir. Why? Because Karnataka Bank is a scheduled bank, sir. And, it competed with SBI, sir, for getting the awards.
Not only
It is
that,
not easy.
it is locally well appreciated by local residents.
Yes.
You tell like that. Karnataka people, I mean, the people of Karnataka, they have a very good regard, including all our family members. We have very good regard, so I will continue. Then they will ask you, your parents are having account in which bank? Are they having in Karnataka Bank? No.
No, sir.
Doesn't matter. Which is the nearest Karnataka Bank branch for you?
In Gangavati only, sir.
Acha, good. Now this question they asked, what is the answer? I don't know. How many branches are there in our Karnataka?
In 879, sir.
No, Karnataka.
Karnataka, I don't know.
Some 550 branch or so, somebody was telling. Please check it up.
Okay, sir.
Very good. What is the turnover of Karnataka Bank?
1,27,000 something, sir.
No, 1,30,000. Like 27, correct. 80 and then 58, something like that. 1 minute. Let me see. I have the file Karnataka Bank. Then Karnataka Bank, interview quarterly results. 1 minute. Total figure is, what did you say? 1 lakh?
1,27,000 something.
No, wrong. I will show you. 1,38,935. Are you seeing something on the board, on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now you please, I will block this. You read this now.
Okay, sir. The business turnover of the bank was at the 1,38,935.71 crore as on 30/6/2020 compared to the rupees
No,
1,27,000.
36, 2000.
2022, sir.
You said 20. Yeah. Continue.
Okay, sir.
Please read from
One
from the beginning. The business turnover.
The business turnover of the bank was at the rupees 1,38,935.71 crore as on 30/6/2022 compared to the rupees 1,27,000.
This is what you told wrongly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Continue.
As per the 30/6/2021, registering a YOY growth.
YOY means year
You
on year.
only need.
No.
Yeah. Okay, sorry, sir. You know, I will tell.
Yeah, year on year.
Year on year
That
growth
means
of 8.
last quarter, what was the figure compared to that year on year? Last 2021, April to June, that figure and this figure. Now registering a growth of 8. This and all not required. 8.67%. That is not required. But this is next sentence is required. Read.
Okay, sir. The deposits of the bank stood to rupees 80,576.38 crore with the YOY growth of 5.72% and the advances of rupees 58,359.33 crore with the YOY growth of 13.03%.
Good. Advances is increased much. Now, I want you to read this also.
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
So what is the difference between loan and advances?
No, actually, it is only loosely used. Both are term loan, some advance. There is not much of a difference. Let me tell you what Google uncle is telling. In my view, there is no difference. Loans and advance, but some, for example, now we pay advance for houses. Supposing you take some house on rent, okay. Whereas anything that is paid beforehand, normally it is called advance. But here, difference between loans and advances, I will show you. Good question you asked. Difference between loans and advances. Okay. But again, even here, it is not very strictly correct, but it is okay. Now, please read this basis of comparison. Loans.
Meaning, loans means funds borrowed by an entity from another entity, repayable after a specific period, carrying interest rate is known as known, whereas advances means funds provided by the bank to an entity for a specific purpose to be repayable after a short duration is known as advances.
Short duration. Okay, next.
What is it? In loans, debt. Advances, credit facility. Term, long term, and in advances, short terms. Next, legal formalities. More, in advances, less. Next, security. May or may not be secured. In advances, primary security, collateral security, and guarantees.
That's all. I am good question you asked. 1 minute. I am giving this in our Telegram group so that let other boys also get benefited. Okay, good.
Yes.
Could you understand this difference?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now let us come to another one question they have asked. Turnover of Karnataka Bank we have seen. Then what is a blue chip company? Hello?
Sorry, sir. Don't know, sir.
Blue chip company means highly rated companies like say Infosys, TCS, then say Colgate Palmolive, then Reliance. These are known as blue chip companies.
Okay, sir.
What are top blue chip companies? What are blue chip? Here it is telling about USA. Let us see India blue chip companies. Indian blue chip companies list. And what are the top? What are the best blue chip companies? Here it is telling about foreign only. The only idea is anything that is highly regarded is known as blue chip companies. I am giving this article also in our Telegram. Okay. Here,
Okay, sir.
here they are telling debt to equity is less than 2. Average return on equity for 5 years is more than 20%. Interest coverage ratio is greater than 2. Market capitalization is more than 3,000 rupees. List of blue chip companies. Topmost TCS, ITC, Hindustan Unilever, Coal India, Wipro, like that. But this list may not be correct now. But these companies continue to be blue chip. But new companies would have come. For example, Reliance, Adani. So many new companies are coming. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good, nice. All these questions have been asked, but this was asked for not for a fresher, for a boy who was working in ICICI Bank previously. Okay, what is
Yes.
RTGS and NEFT full form and limit?
Sir, okay, sir. RTGS means real-time gross profit. Sorry,
Uh-huh.
real-time gross settlement, sir.
Mm.
Maximum is no limit and minimum is also no limit, sir. So
RTGS,
maximum no limit, minimum 2 lakhs, sir.
very good. NEFT,
NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer.
mm.
In here, no maximum limit and no minimum limit, sir.
Good, very good. Now, are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Why?
You
Because
are willing to go anywhere?
anywhere, sir.
Because many girls are telling they will go to only Karnataka or only Kerala like that. Your parents will permit you?
Yes, sir.
Acha.
They are always supportive to me, sir. Why? Because I'm only the girl who are getting graduation, sir, in our whole family background.
So nice, so nice. Acha. Now I want you to talk in Kannada for next. Acha, time over. 6:30 over. Please talk to me for 2 minutes in Kannada. Anything that comes to your mind. So when you talk in a real interview, it should be a positive message, not a negative message. Please talk.
Sir,
Kannada.
my strength, sir.
No, Kannada. Kannada bolo.
ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಜನ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣಂದ್ರು ನಾನು ಸರ್ ನಾವು ನನ್ನ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ 6th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರು ದುಡಿಯೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ 4 ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರೋದು ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ ದುಡ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣಂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮನ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ನೋಡಿರೋದು ಸರ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನ್ ತಂಬ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಎಬ್ಬಟ್ ಸರ್ ತಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ತಂಬಾಗಿನೇ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ 4 ಜನನು ಸಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಂತೆ ಇನ್ನು ನೀನು ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ನಿನ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ.
Good, very good. I appreciate you. Good interview. Though you have not answered 2-3 questions, it's not a problem. Go with confidence. Read some more. Watch the questions that I am posting in videos. Whatever other candidates are telling me, I'll post immediately in the videos or in the Telegram page. Go through that. Prepare yourself so that you can answer them nicely.
Okay,
So
any feedback sir?
feedback is I am happy. I am happy. I will give you appointment, but much depends on luck. Interview 60% luck, 40% merit. That is now it has become like that because one girl was very good in prepared and all that, but when they go and ask some very difficult question or irrelevant question, then it will be problem. One girl was asked a question on new education policy. Then yeah, very tough questions. I will show you.
Sir, in the time of interview, sir. Hello. In the time of interview, if they ask, okay, we are selective. Now you are working in Karnataka Bank as a clerk, but still you are writing bank exams. Fortunately, you are selected to public sector bank. Can you leave our bank? How
will you? That I asked you already, but you said no. You said you will not go. No? That is correct answer. You will not go because Karnataka Bank is a very reputed bank in Karnataka, much nourished or cherished by these people. I also like it that way. So I will not go. This you should tell without it appearing as lie. Kannada, how to tell that in Kannada, I don't know. It should not seem as if it is lie, but you should talk confidently and smile also. Understand?
Yes, sir.
I am selecting you. If they don't select me, don't blame me. But I wish they should select you.
So marks, sir?
Marks 9 out of 10.
Thank you so much.
9 out of 10. Easily, I will give you 9. Best wishes.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yeah,
difference between NPA and bad debt, sir?
Bad debts, the ones that is, first is substandard, next is doubtful. That stage it is called as, let us see that also. Nobody has asked this question to me. Let us see. Difference between bad debts and NPA. I think there is no difference. NPA is a non-productive account and provision for bad and doubtful debts. What is the difference between bad loan and NPA? Bad loan. What is the difference between bad loan? Are you seeing its screen? No.
No, sir.
Oh. Good question. What is the difference between bad loan and NPA? There is no difference between bad loan and NPA. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
You please go through this. Anyhow, I will give this information in our Telegram. Good. You asked very interesting questions. I am happy. Good. Then what is the difference between this thing? Good. I think you asked 3 questions. Different questions.
Yes,
all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.